Welcome back to Cape Town, everybody. I want to introduce you today to the Magpie. This is the new bag from Turkana. Let's have a look. It's the usual shark fur, nice, hard-wearing, weatherproof. It's got double zips, one on each side, the same as the other cubes. There's a handle on two sides, and there's the webbing strap that goes on the back so that you can attach this to pretty much anything. So the most popular uses we think for this bag are going to be your electronics bag, that's what I've got it for, or maybe a toolkit, or maybe a first aid kit. Let's have a closer look. It comes with two zips, a handle on the end, a handle on the top, and on the reverse side, all the placements for your webbing straps. So you could attach this pretty much everywhere. Inside, we have a few dividers and a padded Velcro pouch on each end. The dividers are removable, so you can take them out to take your bits with you somewhere else, or maybe to make space inside the bag. The pouches are slightly different. This one has two zip pockets and a horizontal cable retaining section. This one comes with a large zip section and elasticated straps for smaller items. This is a very, very cool little bag. This is the Turkana MagPie. Hope you found that helpful. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, eh? Ciao.